The graceful beauty of swans on the lake. Watching swans glide across a tranquil lake is magical. Their white feathers, long necks, and serene presence have captivated people for centuries, inspiring art, literature, and poetry. Swans symbolize beauty, purity, and love. Their reflections shimmer as they move, creating a dreamlike scene. The gentle ripples they leave tell a silent story of peace and harmony. Early morning mist above the water makes swans look ethereal, their silhouettes gliding silently. Sunlight dancing on their feathers intensifies their beauty. Alone or in pairs, swans on the lake invite quiet contemplation. Watching swans is not just an aesthetic experience. It also reminds us of nature's delicate balance. Lakes that host swans are often vibrant ecosystems, supporting a wide variety of plant and animal life. The presence of these graceful birds is a sign of a healthy environment. Many cultures celebrate swans as symbols of transformation and fidelity. Their lifelong partnerships remind us of enduring love and loyalty. Seeing a pair gliding together speaks to nature's deeper connections. In conclusion, swans' beauty on the lake is more than a visual delight. It reminds us of the serenity, harmony, and wonder nature offers those who pause to appreciate it.